The latest version of Iran's Bavar-373 Air Defense System is designed to be capable of countering ballistic missiles. The second version of the Bavar-373 system will soon be produced to equip the Iranian Armed Forces. The Iranian Ministry of Defense stated that further details regarding this air defense system will be elaborated for publication to the public later. The latest version of the Bavar-373 air defense system designed by Iran aims to enhance the country's ability to counter ballistic missiles. These systems will become an important part of the Iranian Armed Forces, which are constantly working on developing and improving their defense technologies. By equipping this system, Iran hopes to strengthen their air defenses and provide more effective protection against missile threats. The Iranian Ministry of Defense has announced their plans to soon produce a second version of the Bavar-373 system. This move demonstrates Iran's seriousness in dealing with increasingly complex missile threats. Further details about the technical specifications and capabilities of this system will be explained and made public in the future. The second version of the Bavar-373 system is expected to overcome the challenges faced by previous air defense systems. By enhancing their detection, tracking and interception capabilities, Iran hopes to maintain their territorial integrity and protect their national interests from potential ballistic missile attacks. The development and production of air defense systems such as the Bavar-373 is part of Iran's pursuit of self-sufficiency in the defense sector. By relying on domestic technology and expertise, the country hopes to reduce dependence on foreign imports of defense systems. It also reflects Iran's determination to maintain a sustainable and self-sufficient defense force. With the presence of the latest version of the Bavar-373 air defense system, Iran is showing their commitment to defending their sovereignty and national security. This move could also influence the power dynamics in the region and demonstrate that Iran is prepared for any potential missile threats that may arise in the future. Meanwhile, the current version of the Bavar-373 is capable of fending off cruise missiles and relatively slower fighter jets. Bavar-373 has been able to target fighter jets that have a low radar cross-section. In November 2022, the Iranian Ministry of Defense launched the Sayad-4B, a new solid propellant missile paired with the Bavar-373 air defense system so that it can reach a range of 300 kilometers. The Bavar-373 is Iran's long-range mobile surface-to-air missile system. The system was first launched in August 2016. Currently, the Bavar-373 version is capable of fending off cruise missiles and relatively slower fighter jets. With this capability, the system can provide effective air protection against threats coming from various directions. One of the advantages of the Bavar-373 air defense system is its ability to target fighter jets that have a low radar cross-section, RCS. This means that the system is capable of detecting and countering fighter jets designed with radar signature reduction technology, thereby giving the Iranian Air Force a tactical advantage. In November 2022, the Iranian Ministry of Defense introduced a new missile named Sayad-4B. This missile uses solid propellant and is designed for use with the Bavar-373 air defense system. With the support of the Sayad-4B missile, the range of the Bavar-373 system can be increased to up to 300 kilometers, significantly expanding Iran's air defense capability. The Bavar-373 is a long-range mobile surface-to-air missile system developed by Iran. The system was first launched in August 2016 and has been in development since then. With its ability to detect, track and counter air threats, the Bavar-373 is a critical air defense system for the Iranian Armed Forces. The presence of the Bavar-373 as a mobile and long-range air defense system shows Iran's commitment to developing its own defense technology. This is part of the country's strategy to achieve independence in the defense sector and reduce dependence on imported defense systems. By relying on domestic capabilities, Iran can strengthen their air defense and safeguard their sovereignty and national security. Iran calls it a competitor to Russia's S-400 missile system. The system is produced by the Iranian Ministry of Defense in cooperation with local manufacturers and universities. Iran has termed the Bavar-373 air defense system a direct competitor of the Russian-made S-400 missile system. With its capabilities, Bavar-373 is able to compete in terms of detection, tracking and interception of complex air threats, such as that carried out by the S-400. The Bavar-373 system is produced by the Iranian Ministry of Defense involving cooperation between local manufacturers and universities. This shows Iran's efforts to develop the domestic defense industry and enhance their technological capabilities independently. The successful production and development of Bavar-373 is also a testament to Iran's efforts to reduce dependence on imports of defense systems from outside. By building and using domestic technology, Iran can enhance their own defense capabilities and maintain national sovereignty. Air defense systems such as the Bavar-373 have an important role in Iran's defense strategy. Its ability to match the S-400 system shows that Iran has ambitions to strengthen its position in terms of regional air defense and enhance its capabilities in dealing with external threats. Through collaboration between the Defense Ministry, local manufacturers and universities, Iran can also generate research and innovation in defense technologies that can be used for the development of other air defense systems in the future. By building domestic capabilities, Iran hopes to achieve greater self-sufficiency in the defense sector and increase their overall deterrence. Furthermore, an upgraded version is launched in 2022 and Iran describes it as a competitor to the S-400 as its capabilities are on par. The Bavar-373 system is claimed to be capable of shooting down fifth-generation fighters. In 2022, Iran launched an upgraded version of the Bavar-373 Air Defense System. Iran claims that this version has capabilities on par with the Russian S-400 system. This demonstrates Iran's ambition to become a major player in regional air defense and demonstrates their commitment to continuously enhancing their defense capabilities. The latest version of the Bavar-373 system is claimed to be capable of shooting down fifth-generation fighters, which is a significant achievement in terms of air defense technology. This capability will give Iran an edge against threats from advanced warplanes owned by neighboring countries. By claiming the Bavar-373 as a competitor to the S-400, Iran wants to show that it can rely on homemade air defense systems that have capabilities comparable to those produced by other countries. It also shows Iran's efforts to achieve independence in the defense sector and reduce dependence on imports of defense systems from outside. The Bavar-373's ability to shoot down fifth-generation fighters marks a significant advance in Iran's air defense technology. It also reflects the development of the domestic defense industry and the research and development capabilities possessed by Iran. With the launch of this upgraded version, Iran hopes to enhance their overall air defense capability and demonstrate that they are prepared to face increasingly complex threats in the future.